Hello to all my friends out there. And so if you saw the previous video, you saw my hair color that I did for $1. And so I decided after this, this month I'm making dinners that require almost no cooking. No cooking if I can get away with it. And I am looking for cheaper alternatives to everyday products. Okay, here is the hair color I bought. And I left it on 5 extra minutes because when I put it on, it smelled like a very, it smelled like low volume peroxide, so I figured it wasn't, and I just kept an eye on it, you know. And so I ended up about 15 minutes and the results were pretty good. It's not 5-star color, but it's good if you're broke, okay? And it came with this little, what is this little thing? A little bowl thing. But what I did is I had a hair color bottle, so I mixed it in my hair color bottle. It's easier. It's a very small amount of color. And then I save all things like this little brush. You know, I have like makeup items, and I sell them. And so at the dollar store, I use this, you know, like for every day. I'm not super picky about my hair. All I know is if you do your hair, it looks much better. And I've been using this face cream I got at Dollar Tree. And if you noticed, I have terrible arms. So I put it on my hands, on my arms. Seems pretty good. I buy toothpaste at Dollar Tree, deodorant at Dollar Tree, and this magnifying mirror because, you know, I can do my own eyebrows. And here are 2 items that I saved. They came in some kind of little kits, but I save everything like this. And then I bought this manicure set, and it comes with tweezers, some little cuticle pushing sticks, and files. And just to show you, these files are, you know, good enough. I didn't give myself a manicure yet, but I could because I was too busy shopping. So okay, here is a shot of dollar items. And so this month I am going to be looking for cheaper alternatives to everyday items I use, dollar items. And so God bless you all.